Somebody likes her cereal or her pumpkin mash. It's yummy stuff.
Boiling the sugar and water.
And she keeps spitting it at Mommy.
And I need
Ready? And now we're eating it. We were just spitting it right at Mommy before. Is that good stuff? Oh, no spitting at the camera, Goof. Oh, it's Big Brother coming in. And that's dinner time for Juliet.
Mom, look at all the raspberries like. Liam, she told her it's okay. Right now? That's too many, Claire.
One more for Juliet.
Yeah.
Yummy. Look at that messy baby.
Mom, can I have one?
Look at that messy baby.
Mom, can I have one of the blue? Mom, can I have one?
Say bye, Juliet. Bye to the camera.